Welcome to the video on why being on podcasts can be an effective way to grow your audience and outreach. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever to find new and innovative ways to reach out to potential fans and followers. One way to do this is by appearing on podcasts, which can be a great way to get your message out there and attract new followers. One example of the power of podcasts is Andrew Tate, who became popular for his appearances on other podcasts. While he was already well known in certain circles, it was his heated discussions and argumentative bickering on podcasts that helped him gain a wider audience. The key to his success was the fact that he was able to engage with his audience and create compelling content that people wanted to watch. As a result of his popularity, Andrew Tate has even been able to launch a successful online school, originally called Hustlers University, now renamed to The Real World. Another popular content creator who has spoken about the importance of appearing on podcasts is Mr. Beast. With over 123 million subscribers on YouTube, Mr. Beast is no stranger to the power of reaching a wider audience. He recognizes that podcasts can be a great way to reach new audiences and expand your reach. By appearing on podcasts, you have the opportunity to showcase your expertise and insights to a whole new group of potential fans and followers. But it's not just about reaching new audiences. Podcasts can also help you build a deeper connection with your existing followers. When you appear on a podcast, you have the opportunity to engage in more in-depth conversations about your work and your passions. This can help establish yourself as a tough leader in your field and build a stronger connection with your audience. There are also a number of benefits to being on podcasts. For one thing, podcasts can be a greater way to get your message out to a wider audience. With so many people tuning into podcasts on a regular basis, you have the opportunity to reach a large and diverse group of listeners. This can be especially beneficial if you're looking to reach a specific niche audience, as the podcasts for just about every topic you can imagine. Podcasts can also be a great way to establish yourself as an expert in your field. When you appear on a podcast, you have the opportunity to share your insights and expertise with a wider audience. This can help you build your reputation as a trusted source of information, which can be valuable in today's age. So if you're looking to grow your audience outreach, consider appearing on podcasts as a way to reach new potential fans and followers, whether it's through heated discussions or simply sharing your insights and expertise. Being on a podcast can be a great way to expand your message out there and attract new followers. Don't miss out on an opportunity to expand your reach and grow your audience. With podcasts these days, they also get clipped up and posted on TikTok and go viral. This is one way Andrew Tate has seen some success. If you appear on a podcast, it is most likely that the same thing will happen to you. If you have a video that gets clicked up and posted on TikTok, then you are surefire gonna go viral. Of course, it's important to keep in mind that being on podcasts is just one part of the equation. To truly succeed, you'll have to have a well-defined brand and a constant content strategy. This can involve creating a variety of different types of content, including blog posts, videos, and social media posts. But by appearing on podcasts and using them as a way to reach new audiences, you can significantly expand your reach and grow your audience over time. So if you're looking for ways to grow your audience and expand your reach, consider appearing on podcasts as a way to get your message out there. With the right strategy and a little bit of hard work, you can find podcasts to build your brand and establish yourself